Welcome back to the channel, photographers and visual storytellers. I'm Mgaro, and today we're diving into one of the most powerful and overlooked aspects of photography, the art of storytelling. Beyond perfect exposure, sharp focus, or dynamic composition lies a deeper purpose, telling a story that resonates, provokes, and lingers. Let's explore how to move beyond snapshots and into stories. Storytelling through photography isn't about a single image. It's about evoking emotion, conveying context, and freezing a narrative in time. Whether you're shooting a street scene, a portrait, or a documentary series, your photo should ask questions or offer answers. It should invite viewers to linger, explore, and imagine what came before and what comes after. A great photograph doesn't just show, it suggests, it implies, it whispers something meaningful. That's storytelling. Your subject is the protagonist of your story, but emotion is the soul. Capture that fleeting expression, that subtle gesture. It's what turns a subject into a character. Context matters. A portrait on a plain background is a study of the face. A portrait in a kitchen, a factory, or a war zone, that's a story. The surroundings anchor your subject in a narrative world. Use your frame like a page of a novel. Foreground elements, midground action, background setting, they all build layers of meaning. Think of it as visual grammar. Light isn't just exposure, it's mood, tone, and emotional cue. Harsh noon light tells a different story than golden hour warmth or dramatic chiaroscuro shadows. Sometimes one image isn't enough. A sequence of images, a photo essay, can show change over time, emotional arcs, or contrasting perspectives, just like scenes in a film. Before you shoot, ask yourself, what do I want to say? Who is this for? What do I want them to feel or question? Storytelling starts before you click the shutter. A photo without intent is decoration. A photo with intent is communication. Here are a few practical tips to elevate your storytelling photography. Shoot wide, then close. Establish the scene, then focus on the details. Like a writer opening with a setting before revealing dialogue. Anticipate moments, don't chase them. Storytelling is about capturing the peak of emotion or action. Observe before you shoot. Watch how people move, interact, emote. The best stories are in the unscripted moments. Use negative space to symbolize isolation or tension. Play with visual metaphors, reflections, frames within frames, leading lines. All these can subtly reinforce narrative. Editing isn't just about polishing, it's about emphasizing your story. Color grading can shift tone, cropping can isolate meaning, sequence can guide the emotional journey. Storytelling through photography is more than art, it's a responsibility. Every time you lift your camera, you choose what the world sees and remembers, so slow down, feel the scene, find the story, then capture it with purpose. If you found value in this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Drop a comment below. What's the most powerful photo story you've ever seen or created? I'd love to hear it. Until next time, keep shooting, keep seeing, and keep telling stories. This is Mgaro, signing off.